Heard of SMART goals but not sure how they work in marketing? Let me break it down fast. S is for specific. Be clear. Don't say get more customers. Say increase newsletter signups by 20%. M is measurable. If you can't track it, you can't improve it. Use numbers that show progress. A is achievable. Dream big, but stay realistic. Don't expect 10x overnight. Set goals you can reach with effort. R is relevant. Your goals should tie back to your business. No point growing Instagram if it doesn't bring sales. T is time-bound. Set a deadline. By next quarter, or within 6 months, or your goals just wishful thinking. Here's one example. Increase website traffic by 15% in 3 months by launching a blog and running social ads. That's smart. Want a SMART goals template for your marketing? Hit me up in the comments or DM me. Let's get those goals working.